So, hello again, guys. Welcome back to this uh, kind of boring video game. So, today we're gonna talk about uh, the common things, the common obstacles that we often, you know, encounter with, or that we often feel, or with whom we have to deal with. So, we're gonna talk about that. First of all, I mean, as as always, I'll take some examples of my life and what I have seen. So I have just come from a wedding, wedding party. It's uh, it's been 11:45 p.m. and I just have come. In that marriage, I am going to be very honest with you guys. So in that wedding, I have seen that some boys of my age, of my class, okay, of my age group, and they're also in class 12th. So we three or five. They were not my friends, but as of course, uh, they were s- they were of the same age group, and I was with someone else. My neighbor. I went with him, so I was not familiar with those guys which we met there. But the one who was with me was familiar with each one of them. So we went there, we sat together, and then one one of them, you know, one of the guys, one of the guy's girlfriend came there. Uh, she sat with him, and all the other boys were giving them space, like, okay, just let them sit, huh? Kind of that. They sit there, and I have, you know, it was very fascinating to me that they are sitting with each other on, in this surrounding. They were not afraid of anyone, are they? No, I think. But why they were not afraid? I don't know. It was fascinating to me, and yeah, it was new to me. I have also seen some kind of handsome guys there. They were handsome, very attractive, and the girlfriend of the guy was really cute. She was cute, okay. And watching two of them, I began to feel like what you know, how would how happy it would have be it would have been if I also uh, you know be with the person I loved. That thought came to my mind, and the wedding that I was attending was very luxurious. Kind of very few people afford that, or uh, my known persons. It was a very kind of first experience where I attended this much luxurious kind of marriage or party. So there also some kind of um, thoughts begin to dwindling in my mind that wow, great. But one thing I was able to connect that, yeah, but they are not getting any kind of treatment which an officer gets, because the person, the groom, was a constable. I mean, how it can happen, brother? Why the person choose to be to get married? I don't think that why people get married at very low age, at very early age, why they are getting married. It is nothing new. I mean, we always encounter with the people around us who are married. Are they happy? Or is, marry is marriage a so big thing? It's not, guy. It's really not. Okay, I know. I'm getting fat, but okay, I'll complete it. I mean, I will reduce it, decrease it, minimize it. Okay, because it is just because I have come from a wedding where I have eat a lot of things, lot of I have eaten a lot. That is the reason of this is the reason. So we were on the thing that yes, nowadays people are getting married very at a very early age. This should not be the case, I think. They must strive to develop themselves. They must strive for a better kind of uh, job they deserve. I think this is very important. And what happened if you have, you know, when I was watching uh, those couple, that couple of my age group, yes, that too, there too, I have got the feeling that if my kind of fairy tale would be there. But I know that is the things are very, they are very different now, very contrast. Um, it may happen that the person I once loved, I don't love her anymore, or I love her, but I will not kind of let her come into my life again, because it just it, it's all happened. Some things are there, some things exist which can only be, you know which cannot be, the same again. They are just only for once. Trust trust is one of them. Love is one of them. I don't know why people. Okay, it's okay. So what? Sometimes it happens that we don't love someone, but we pretend to love him, love her. Hmm. So, I mean, those things were coming into my mind, and I was feeling like this is not a time. I mean, if I get married, it's not a big deal, yeah. Marriage is not a big thing, I think. And I feel really kind of uncomfortable or unnatural by seeing the kind of bride. I mean, they are just getting fake attention. Everyone is around them just because they are the bride, they are the groom. Nobody even uh, have to do anything with that guy. But was just They just make him sit on the horse, and they control themselves everything. Yeah, right. Yeah, this happens, and I just don't like that. In my case, I don't like that. I mean, I want when I will be having a girlfriend, I want myself to be, you know, to be earner of 5 6 lakhs at least. Okay, and I think it's good. It's not about making more money. Yeah, no, 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 no. Making more money is not about happiness. It's not about peace level. And I have observed this thing that the more money we have, the more greed we have. And I don't like living in a palace which is very big. No, I would prefer living in a good locality with you know 4 5 rooms in the ground floor, 3 4 rooms on the second floor, third floor. Okay, probably, and just like that. Simple house is good, much more better than any kind of palace, because we must feel peace, tranquility in the house. And house becomes home because of the family. Yeah, right, right. So I don't just need. I don't love money, really. I I mean I want my I need money, and I want money, but at an extent, not more than that. Not more than that. Happiness, peace is somewhere else, not in the money, right? Yeah, we can fulfill our wishes with the money, but striving for something and getting it achieved with your potential, making yourself more potential, increase your potential, at all what matters, right? You will be. Yes. So this happens. I'm feeling like I'm just not making you kind of understand of what I'm saying. But yeah, you can imagine what kind of things I want to say. That yes, student must focus on their studies. Student must focus, if not studies, they must focus on their growth, their development. Yeah, right. They, you know, I mean, they must, by their part-time job, they must be earning 2 3 lakhs in the contemporary world. That is very important, right? Yeah, and they should not focus on girls, because a a true partner will you will be with the person you love, or you'll be loving the person, and then will be with him, with her, and it takes time to build yourself. First priority should be building your own self, building your empire, building your capability. Make yourself earner, right? And earner is not all we want. Creator, real man.